I use bok choy in my stir-fries and soups, but tonight I'm making a basic steamed bok choy. I'm Tess, and I'm going to show you how to make an easy steamed bok choy side dish with 2 delicious sauces. Stay tuned. Bok choy is a Chinese cabbage, and you can find it at most Asian markets and even at higher-end grocery stores. It is becoming more and more popular. You can find bok choy in different sizes, but today I'm using what they call baby bok choy. Bok choy is healthy and is packed full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. I'm starting by cleaning the bok choy. I'm trimming off its base and removing any discolored outer leaves, cutting the bok choy in half and giving it a good bath in cold water. Then I'm placing in a colander until all the water drains out. I'm going to show you 2 simple sauces that can be served over the steamed bok choy. The first is a Chinese spicy orange sauce. I'm starting with some fresh orange juice and the zest of an orange, a little bit of honey, chopped red chilies for the heat, Shaoxing wine, and you can use rice wine vinegar, light soy sauce, water, and some cornstarch, giving that a good stir. In a pan on medium heat, I'm adding in a little oil, some sliced garlic, and minced ginger, giving that a stir for about 30 seconds, and then I'm pouring in my orange sauce, turning my heat up to a medium-high to bring this up to a boil, cooking and stirring for a couple minutes until the sauce thickens. The second sauce is a general Chinese sauce. I have some water and I'm adding in some light soy sauce and some Shaoxing wine, and again you can use rice wine vinegar. In goes some oyster sauce and a little sesame oil. Also adding in some white pepper and then the cornstarch, giving that a good stir. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding in the oil and the minced garlic, cooking and stirring for about 30 seconds and then pouring in the sauce. Again turning my heat up to a medium-high to bring up to a boil, cooking and stirring for a couple minutes until the sauce thickens. Now for the bok choy. I don't have a steamer, so I'm making one by using a pan of water and my stainless steel colander. You just want to make sure that the water does not go above the colander. My water is at a boil. I'm placing in my bok choy, covering and cooking the bok choy for about 3 minutes. You can test the bok choy along the way for your desired tenderness. I love steamed bok choy. You can eat it as is, or you can serve topped with a sauce like I am tonight. The spicy orange sauce is loaded with flavor, and the red chilies add a nice level of heat. The basic Chinese sauce is good as well. I really like the garlic and the sesame oil shines through. I hope you give this steamed bok choy recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!